Hey there, tech enthusiasts and home security buffs. Today, we're diving into something that's about to revolutionize your outdoor surveillance game. Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, you're going to see why the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus is the talk of the town. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Imagine this. It's pitch black outside, and suddenly, you hear a noise in your backyard. You grab your phone, open the Ring app, and boom, you're seeing full color, crystal clear footage of what's going on, even in the dead of night. Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? Well, folks, that's the power of Ring vision and low light sight technology packed into this bad boy. Now, let's talk about what makes the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus stand out from the crowd. First up, we've got that sweet 2K video quality. We're talking sharp, detailed footage that'll make you feel like you're right there in the action. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, this camera's got your back with crisp, clear visuals that'll make identifying visitors, packages, or potential troublemakers a breeze. But wait, there's more. Remember that night vision I mentioned? It's not your average, grainy, black and white footage. Nope, the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus brings you full-color night vision. That means you can see exactly what's happening in vivid detail, even when it's darker than the inside of a black hole out there. It's like having a pair of super-powered night vision goggles, but way cooler and without the goofy headgear. Now, let's chat about versatility. This camera is like the Swiss Army knife of outdoor security. Want to mount it on your porch? Go for it. Thinking about sticking it on a tree in your backyard? No problem. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus is designed to be mounted anywhere you need an extra set of eyes. And with its battery-powered design, you're not tethered to power outlets or complicated wiring. Just pop in the battery, find your spot, and you're good to go. Speaking of batteries, let's talk power. This camera is built to last, with a battery life that'll keep you covered for extended periods. No more climbing ladders every other week to change batteries. The Ring Outdoor Cam Plus is in it for the long haul, giving you peace of mind without the constant maintenance headache. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about the weather? Won't rain or snow mess it up? Fear not, my friends. This camera is tougher than a $2 steak. It's built to withstand the elements, so whether you're dealing with scorching heat, freezing cold, or torrential downpours, your Ring Outdoor Cam Plus will keep on trucking. Let's talk about the wide-angle lens for a sec. This isn't just any old camera view. We're talking about a field of vision that's as wider than a panoramic shot of the Grand Canyon. Okay, maybe that's a slight exaggeration, but you get the point. This wide-angle lens ensures you're not missing a thing, capturing a broad view of your property that'll make blind spots a thing of the past. And here's the kicker. All of this awesome tech is packed into a sleek, modern design that won't stick out like a sore thumb on your property. Available in classic black or crisp white, the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus blends seamlessly with your home's exterior, providing top-notch security without sacrificing style. But what good is all this fancy hardware without some killer software to back it up? That's where the Ring app comes in. It's like having a command center right in your pocket. Get instant alerts when motion is detected, check in on live views anytime, anywhere, and even communicate with visitors through two-way audio. It's like being in two places at once, minus the whole cloning yourself thing. To wrap things up, let's talk about why the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus is more than just a camera. It's an investment in your peace of mind. With its cutting-edge features, rugged durability, and user-friendly design, it's not just about seeing what's happening around your home, it's about feeling secure, staying connected, and taking control of your property's safety. So, whether you're a tech geek looking for the latest and greatest in home security, a busy parent wanting to keep an eye on things while you're away, or just someone who values the safety of their castle, the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus is the answer you've been looking for. It's not just a camera, it's your 24/7 digital guardian, always on watch, always ready. Don't just take my word for it though. Give the Ring Outdoor Cam Plus a shot and see for yourself why it's becoming the go-to choice for smart home security. Trust me, once you experience the clarity, convenience, and peace of mind it brings, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Stay safe out there, folks, and remember, with Ring, you're always home.